Hey, if you found our website, you probably received some sort of correspondence from our company. It could have been a call, voicemail, text message, email, or letter. Hey, how's it going? My name is Arnell Carmichael, owner and CEO of Overage Refund Recovery, LLC. And in this video, my goal is not to sell you anything, rather to educate you about why we contacted you, answer some frequently asked questions, and tell you a little bit about who we are and the service we provide. So we are a veteran-owned asset recovery company, and we are part of the Better Business Bureau. And what we do is monitor property sales, specifically tax and mortgage foreclosures. And what we look for are properties that sell for more than the debt owed to the bank. For example, if you owe the bank $150,000 and the home sells for $200,000 at the auction, then that $50,000 difference should go back to you, the homeowner. And that's going to be pending any judgments, liens, and/or foreclosure fees. So in our industry, we call that difference an overage, which is also interchangeable with surplus or excess funds. Again, you may also be entitled to that overage if you're an heir of a decedent property owner. So why do we offer these services? So to our understanding, there's billions of unclaimed dollars within the 3,000 plus counties across the United States. If that money is not claimed within a certain time frame, then the government entities holding it, they're going to become the owners of those funds and use them for their own purposes. So that said, there's not a whole lot of incentive for these companies to go above and beyond to find you and tell you this vital information. Now, they do send out notifications, but it's normally to the last property address on record, which ironically is the foreclosure property address. So more times than not, the homeowner's probably not going to see that notification. All right, let's talk about some of the most frequently asked questions that we get. So the first one is this a scam? I can see why people ask this question, especially since you're receiving multiple calls from third-party companies and law firms stating you're owed money right after your foreclosure. So I can definitely see why people are skeptical. However, the answer to this question is no. This is not a scam because our company is not asking for any money up front or any personal information. Again, our main goal is to educate you about how the overage was generated, then provide you with some information about how our company can help you recover these funds. Another question we get quite a bit is, how much money do I need to pay up front for your services? Great question. I understand we're in a pandemic and money's tight for a lot of us. And the last thing you want to do is spend money and not get a return on your investment, right? So with that said, we don't charge anything up front. Since we only work on contingency, we only get paid when we recover funds for you. So if we don't recover any funds, we don't get paid, and you don't have to reimburse us for any costs that we advanced to our legal team for your case. So the last question is, why do I need to work with a company like yours? Is this something I can do myself? The answer is absolutely yes, but understand you're going to be responsible for two things. Number one, hiring your own attorney and paying for your own legal fees. And number two, incurring all the responsibilities and or risk associated with the case. So the beautiful thing about working with a company like ours is we're going to advance all the upfront costs for an attorney and completely facilitate the process from beginning until end until it's time to receive your check if you're owed one. All you have to do is review and return the documentation that we send you, in which case you can contact us with any questions or hire your own legal counsel before signing. So again, we incur all the costs, assume all the risk just so you don't have to. And here's the bottom line up front. We're going to do 100% of the work for less than half of what we recover. If you haven't been, you will be contacted by multiple companies like mine, and there's some great ones out there. So what I recommend is that you do your due diligence on all of these companies, including ours. And what I would like you to ask yourself to ask these companies is this: have they been as transparent as I have in this video? Have they given as much information as I have? Have they told you how the overage was generated? But more importantly, have they acknowledged the fact that you can do this yourself? I just wanted to highlight that because I served our country with integrity as a military member, and I believe that we should extend the same courtesy to you as a business owner. So whether you use our services or not, I hope I lowered your skepticism and succeeded in really three things: educating you about how the overage was created, answered some frequently asked questions, and gave you two truthful and viable options on how to recover your money. So obviously, we do this as a business to earn money. But what we never want to do is make a decision about how you recover your funds. So if you're looking for professional assistance, you can call us directly at area code 256-321-1608 or reach us via email at info at overages recover.com. We would love the opportunity to earn your business and really help you recover what's rightfully yours. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.